We'll guide you through how to fix an external hard drive not showing up or being detected on your computer. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because you're then unable to go and access it and use it. So first of all, just try unplugging it and replug it into a different USB port. Sometimes as simple as that will then go and fix it. If it doesn't know, what you need to do is press search at the bottom of your computer and you want to go and type in format hard disk partitions or just disk partitions and it should then pop up. Now go and wait for it to load and you want to go and scroll down in the second part here and you want to try and locate it. So in this case, it's this one here. You can usually go and locate it by the size of it, and you can use this top part here as well. If you've just gone and got it, it may go and be unallocated. If that's the case, you want to go and right click on unallocated, and you can then go and press new simple volume. This is already allocated though, which is why we're not getting that pop-up. But then what you can do is go through the quick installer. I don't really change anything when you go through it, and you can then go and allocate it, and it'll then go and appear. However, if you already is allocated and it's still not appearing, let's get to the next fix. Make sure it's got a drive letter or we can try changing it. So you can go and right click on it and press change drive letter and paths. If there's not one here, you can press add and add one. If there is already one, you can go and press change and you can go and give it a different letter. And then you can go and press OK again, and it'll then go and reload and go and see if that then goes and solves it. If it still doesn't work, then come and locate it. And what we're going to do is right click on it and we're going to press delete volume. This is going to go and lose everything on it. So do just be aware of that. Confirm your decision. Then we can go and reallocate the space, right click on it and press new simple volume and we can go through this. Try changing the drive letter to something different as well. Hopefully now it goes and appears in File Explorer.